Okay, block them all. Block them all. Great.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt. This incredible app available is called Call Screener or ScamShield if you are a Tmobile customer. If you're a Sprint customer, it's called Call Screener. So we're gonna activate it on Yanel's phone right now so that you'll see. So start screen record.
So let's go to the Google store. Oh.
All right, so go and get
Call Screener.
Call Screener.
Okay.
Call Screener. Now, the idea of the app is that the app will eliminate all these robocalls that people are getting.
Here.
Oh, there it is. All right, so all you need to do is go ahead and click on Call Screener. Click it. All right. So you're gonna activate it. This used to be $2.99 a month. And it's now free. So enable now. And it's gonna activate your call screener.
Oh, and it's free.
And it's free. F-R-E-E.
Okay.
I forgot to activate it in my mom's house today. I went over there because I wanted to activate so she wouldn't keep getting all these calls. So once you activate it, it's going to stop all these spam calls and all these people from calling in. Yeah, unable to connect.
Okay, so
unplug yourself from the Wi-Fi. Yep. And do it again. Enable now. You see how you have the voice over IP LTE on the top? That's what it means. You can keep your phone.
Oh, there it is. Thanks for enrolling.
Yep.
Screener is now enabled. So the one thing we have to make sure is you're not on Wi-Fi.
You're not on Wi-Fi. Yeah, you have to disconnect from Wi-Fi so that the network can update. And as you can see, it's gonna do a quick system update to make sure that your phone. So already
do a system update to make sure that your phone.
Go ahead.
Finish the sentence.
Oh, so you gotta make sure to do a system update to make sure that your phone is now blocking the spammers.
Got it.
Yeah, so one of the cool things is that I went in and I already activated the app, and we're gonna do that with you. Like mine already, you see, has blocked some. So you see mine has blocked quite a few people from getting in there. Yeah, it's gonna do the update. So if you're a Sprint customer, make sure you activate the call screener so that you can eliminate it. You can automatically set it so that the high likely calls, which they already know because I guess that they're generating it in their system. They're using some kind of AI in order to do that. So that's it, and any ones that are high risk is gonna automatically block them.
Yep, nice, I like it. Block them all. Block them all. Great. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified every time we drop a video.
And share it. Team Kilowatt!
Bye, Sprint!